Hi Piscean, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your chakra of the month, number of the month, color of the month, health, wealth, relationship, money, soul growth. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, your mental exercise of the month, and what will happen or how will it change if you follow the advices of the cards. So this month seems like a month where in the beginning you might just feel blindfolded. You might just feel burdened and confused about some decisions that you need to take. Now this whole confusion or this whole feeling of being stuck is happening because this is not the right time to take decisions. This is not the right time to move forward, because wherever you are probably at that 80% or 90% of what you are needing to be, and that is why, or what you are required to be, where you are required to be, and that is why this is not the best time to take decisions, and that is why you feeling that emotional trouble or the feeling of being stuck or the feeling of confusion. All of that is happening, all of that is coming because it's basically telling you don't take decisions this month. Justice, the card of justice is at no space, and basically it is saying that this is not the month where you take decisions, though for the decisions there is Ace of Swords in the center and there is Ace of Cups in the outcome. Next month is going to be much better month where you'll be able to take decisions and you'll be ready to actually move ahead or flow with those decisions. So if there is anything that you need to decide this month, whether it is regarding investments, whether it is regarding your relationship, whether it is regarding your money, career, anything in your life, your health, your wealth, just know, one, if you can postpone the decision to next month, amazing, do that. If you cannot postpone the decision to next month, then know that you should take decision with clarity, you should take decision with strength, you should take decision practically, not feeling like this and not feeling pressured to take a decision, but in a balance. If you do that, it's going to work fine for you. Now if we start from your health perspective, this month, addictions is a big no, and while I'm saying that, there is a card of devil, and addictions, I don't mean that you're drinking alcohol or there is cigarettes or there are drugs or anything. Addiction could be anything: addiction to food, addiction to people, addiction to relationships, addiction to sleep. Addiction can be anything that you think you cannot be without, or anything you push, you're being pushed towards, or anything that you think that, this is something that doesn't give me something good, but I cannot be without this thing. Now this can be anything. Just ensure that this month you have to stay away from addictions. Second, you'll have certain kind of baits this month in your life. So some things will attract you, some people will attract you, some false hopes or some crooks will attract you this month. And because there is the devil, there is Seven of Cups, there is a possibility of somebody who's a fraud or who kind of shows you something which is like out of the blue, like you're going to get this much, you're going to get this benefit, things like that, and you don't have to get into that this month. So for your health, I'm sorry, I just distracted. So for your health, distractions are not good this month. So for your health, another thing that I kind of see is that this month you might feel body aches or you might feel problem with your spine. And another thing which is important is you'll need to take care of while you're walking, like look where you're going, because if you see this Eight of Swords, she's blindfolded. If you see Ten of Wands, this person cannot see where the path is ahead and there is high possibility of him falling. He's taken more than he can actually handle, though he's very close to his destination or his goal, but he's taking more than what he can handle. So health wise, it is important, one, while you're walking, to see where you're walking. Second, don't burden yourself, don't overburden yourself with responsibilities, with things. Delegate if you can, but don't overburden yourself with that. Also, if at all you have a health issue this month and you've been told by a doctor that this is something that needs to be addressed immediately, a surgery needs to happen, this is very bad, or something bad will happen, or you've been put into that kind of mindset that you have to do whatever you have to do, it's an urgency, you have to do it right now. I'm not saying that don't get that done, because obviously medical emergencies are important, but also take a second opinion if possible. So if anything happens, take a second opinion, because I see with Seven of Cups, it might not be exactly how it is being represented to you. So just take second opinion, and with that probably there'll be more balance into your life. So don't be scared of anything this month. If we talk about your emotional health, important, like I said, no addictions, and second, less thoughts. Try to get control over your thoughts. You can chant something, you can sing something, anything, but keep saying something so that you're not thinking. Whenever you think that you're getting into that negative zone, keep chanting something so you're not thinking. And it's very important for you. There are few videos on my channel how you can, remain positive and let go of those negative thoughts. Please go to the playlist and you'll be able to find a few videos on that. But yes, chanting is a very good way to get rid of that, or to get rid of stress. So please do that this month. It's very important for you. If you talk about your wealth, I have not seen even one pentacle this month, and no. So I've not seen even one pentacle this month, and the reason for that is that probably this is the month which is going to give you some struggle. Now why? Because in terms of money, wherever you've thought or you wanted to invest your money, that's not the right place for you to invest. Second, if money flow would come to you, you're going to spend it on something that you're not meant to do. Third, your thoughts with regards to money are not correct, and that's why money flow is not happening in that particular way in your life this month. Though I'm not saying that you're not going to get it, because in the outcome, by end of the month, there is a pentacle that this dove is carrying, and that's why I'm saying that end of the month is going to be good for you, and provided you learn this month that you need to be stable in your thoughts. You need to not overburden yourself. You need to change your thought process, the addictions you have, or the addiction of thoughts that you have, and you need to change something about your attitude, where you are only into dreams or only thinking negative mostly. That is what you have to change. And if you change that towards a positive thing, if you change all of that into that whatever is happening in my life, I know it's happening for a purpose. I'm ready to receive, I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to move forward. Everything will start changing for your life. Also, there could be like any court case, that's if there's already a court case. This month is not a good month for the decision to happen, and if you're thinking to file one, don't file it this month. Also, with regards to money, you might just find somebody who would tell you that, I'll give you a job, give me 2,000, or spend, give me 2,000, I'll make 4,000 out of it. Don't fall for that this month. Okay, ensure that anything that's attractive this month, you're double checking it, because all that glitters is not gold. Please remember this month. For your relationship and love, rather than focusing on other people, this month focus on yourself. Balance yourself, heal yourself, know where you're moving, know what you want in your life, then focus on relationships. This month, possibility of cheating, you or your spouse or your partner, possibility of feeling attracted towards somebody else, you or your spouse or your partner, and that is why it is important that this month you keep your mind under your control, you keep your thoughts under your control. You don't let those attractions, you don't let those things divert you from learning, from balancing, and that is why don't take any decisions with regard to relationship this month. Not marriage, not a new relationship. And if your present relationship is not working, or there's something wrong with your present relationship, don't take a decision this month. This month, just as is at no space, so no decisions this month. That's very important for you this month. Even pregnancy, I would say, is a no this month. If we talk about your job or career, opportunity, yes, there is Ace of Swords, opportunity will come. When will it convert? It will convert in a month's time, so it will not convert immediately. Second, if you find something very attractive, like if you think that the job that you are in is very bad and you're stuck in it, and there is somebody who's offering something or a job that looks like amazing, like it's going to give you amazing results and everything, all that glitters is not gold, don't leave your job, don't go by that. And if you don't have a job, there is an offer that is coming to you, please check back, do the background check at your end as also. And if it is something where they are saying that you have a job and you have to deposit like 1,000 or 7,000 or 2,000 or whatever money you have to deposit before you get the joining letter, something like that could be actually a fraud. So just take care of that. Otherwise, travel is there, shifting is there, movement is there, and all of that is going to happen towards the second half of the month. or the second, after the second week of the month. So yeah, towards the second half of the month. And that's why it is important. It's not that things will not work out, okay? I don't want you to get disappointed. I don't want you to think that, oh, my zodiac reading is very bad this month, nothing is going to work out. No, this month everything is going to work out, provided this is one learning that you have, if you take that learning. And this is not the great month for happening of the things or making of decisions, because if that happens this month, it might not give you the result, the 100% result that you deserve. And that is why things will not happen this month, so that you get more from those things. Also, so that you get in control of your thoughts and your ideas and your mind. And that's an opportunity to learn, that's an opportunity to balance. Take it like that. If we talk about soul path or soul growth, I see crown, a lot about crown, like here there is crown, here there is crown chakra. Also here cup, ace of cup is about crown chakra. So ace of swords is about crown chakra. And I see the problem or the growth that you need is acceptance and receiving. These are two things where I see a problem, because one, you don't accept your life as it is, you do not accept your situations as it is, you don't accept people as they are, and that is why you're not able to receive. The reception doesn't happen because the acceptance doesn't happen. And this month your soul growth or soul path is to accept situations, people, things, flow, everything in your life as it is. And while you accept that, you can affirm that now I accept the situations and things and people of my life as they are. I know there is a learning attached to that. I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to move forward, I'm ready to let go, and I'm ready to receive the abundance that I deserve in my life. Please affirm that. Please affirm that every time you think of something, every time you're becoming negative, anything, please affirm that. It is going to help you big way to get balance and to move on your path and receive abundance. Everything going to come into your life. Your chakra of the month this month is going to be heart chakra. Heart chakra is located here, center of the heart, center of the chest, and the mantra is Yam. You can chant this, or you can find any video on the YouTube about heart chakra balancing. Please balance your heart chakra, because like I said, emotional balance is very important. And only when you get attracted to negative things or people, it's because your heart is imbalanced. And that's why your heart opens up, you're able to give and receive equally, and you'll be able to accept. So please, heart chakra meditation is very important for you this month. If you talk about your mental exercise of the month, if you see, there's a card of guilt, and if you see, there is growth right here, but this person is not able to feel that. That's where the acceptance of your life and receiving comes. And the affirmation that I've told you, please continue working on that affirmation, that I accept my life as it is. I know there are lessons, I'm ready to learn my lessons, I see the positivity in everything, and I am ready to receive the abundance that I deserve, and everything will change about your life. The number of your month is going to be number 8, and color green, golden, brown, any shade of it, yellow even is going to be good for you. If you like the videos, please press the like button, share the videos with everyone that you can, and subscribe the channel. It's important apparently. And what is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month? There is Knight of there's Wand Prince, there's Swords 2, and there is Sun. So basically anything that present yourself, any opportunity, any new thing, anything that comes in front of you this month, know that you're not blindfolded. Know that you're not just rushing into it without analyzing, without thinking what it is, and without evaluating it. So this month, like I said, acceptance, reception, analyzing, not going for everything that glitters, and knowing that you don't have to rush into things or make decisions, because this is not the best time to do that. And once it is the best time, next month somewhere, you'll be able to do all of that, and you'll be able to achieve everything in your life. What will happen if you follow the advices of the cards? If you see, there is Temperance here in your personality card or your soul growth, and there is Temperance here. So this means that you will be in far more balance. You will be in connection with your guides and angels, in connection with your life path, and you'll know how to balance yourself internally and externally to have all the growth that you need in your life, So the new beginnings, the growth, the balance of relationships and balance of things that you're doing in your life is going to come into your life. So please follow what I've told you, and also, like I said, there are a lot of videos on my channel which can help you. So please go through the playlist and find the videos, and if you find them helpful, leave the comment and also share it with everyone that you can. If you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through the Facebook link that is provided in the description box or through the comments section. You just have to write, I need my personalized tarot reading. I will share my number with you and will take it forward from there. And know that this month is not really a bad month. It's for you to ace your emotions. It's for you to move towards that balance. And once you do, and stay away from addictions, whatever it is, once you do that, there is definitely Ace of Cups, there is growth, there is abundance, there is flow, there is emotions, there is balance, there is money, everything is coming into your life. So just be ready to accept that and be ready to receive that. And I will see you with the next month's prediction or any other video of mine. Till then, take care of yourself. All the best. Bye bye. Thank you.